Okay, today we've got a double Irem repair, M62 hardware. First up, Kung Fu Master. This had a custom fault on the bottom board and probably a couple of logic on the middle board. This one's got the replacement thingy, so yeah, that bottom board custom's getting rare on these, so let's fire this one up first. Yes, the bottom PCB handles the sprites, so the sprites on this one were totally missing, and it was the quad flat pack on the bottom on this one. Absolute classic game, that. Let's move on to the next one. This one is Lode runner. This one needed quite a bit of work. Main problem was the sound amp section. Tantalum capacitor set a light on fire, which melted the next door capacitor, which then sprayed out juice across the table, across the burning resistor, creating a flamethrower across the test bench. Brilliant. So yeah, other than that, there's a few other minor things, a few shorts and whatnot. Again, M62 Lode runner. Let's fire him on. (1984), same year as Kung Fu Master, I think. And obviously it's Irem, so the screen's much bigger than the monitor can display. It's just how the boards are, they're very high resolution for the screens. A little bit better. Nice little fade out effect as well on it. Bit like Donkey Kong, bit like Bagman, bit like Dig Dug. Interesting. It needs to be zoomed out. Excellent. Well, there we go, that's 2 of those done. M62. Multi. Maybe.